You know that moment when you catch yourself in a mirror or on a video call and suddenly notice the fine lines, tired eyes, and puffiness you swear weren't there before? That was me recently, and I really wanted something that felt effective without adding another complicated step to my routine. As I've gotten older, I've definitely started noticing more wrinkles, especially around my eyes, plus puffiness and those dark purple under eye circles that make you look exhausted even when you're not. So I decided to try the Shark CryoGlow LED face mask, and honestly, this thing feels like futuristic spa therapy at home. And as an added bonus, if you walk into your bedroom wearing this at 2 a.m., there's a very high chance you accidentally scare your spouse or child, which may or may not have happened in my house. This mask includes the LED face mask, clip-on cooling under-eye chill pads, remote control, charging stands, storage bag, adjustable straps, and the best of all, USB-C charging. It uses red LED light, blue LED light, and infrared light therapy. And what's really unique is the built-in cooling under-eye feature that helps the whole experience feel extra soothing and refreshing and, might I add, comfortable. The treatments are also quick. Most modes take only around 6 minutes a day, which makes it way easier to stay consistent. What I personally noticed was that my skin started looking more refreshed and awake overall. I especially love using it at night because it feels relaxing after a long day, almost like forcing myself to slow down for a few minutes and do something nice for myself. And the cooling eye pads honestly feel amazing if your eyes tend to look puffy or tired. Now, I will say the lights are bright, and comfort can sometimes vary depending on face shape, but it's very comfortable for me. I found adjusting the straps really helps a lot. I really love the results that red light gives, so this really makes sense adding into my routine. If you've been wanting an at-home skincare device that feels luxurious, fun, and easy to use consistently, I definitely recommend checking this one out. And it doubles as a Halloween costume. Bonus!